guys, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be another quick tutorial to get any mod pack on Twitch. It's really simple and it's the fastest way you can get mod packs. All you have to do is have Twitch installed, make an account, that's about it. I'm not sure if you have to make an account, maybe you don't. You should have to, and you know, there's no point in not making one. If you want to install Modpack, all you're going to have to do is click on Browse for Modpacks, then search up whatever modpack you want, or just look through here. You can search for featured or popularity, and Sky Factory 4 apparently is the most popular, because I think that's actually new. The modpack I use for my Minecraft Fully Modded series is CZ Modded Survival, because it's like normal. I don't really like Sky Factory if I'm not playing with friends, so I stream this one because it has over 200 mods, and it's really fun. If you want to check that out, I have a playlist linked in the top right iCard, and also make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video if this has helped you. If it hasn't and you still need help, just leave a comment, tell me what's the problem, and I'll help you out. And another quick little tip, you can click on your mod pack, and here you can check if you want to update some of the mods. You shouldn't actually do this, because with some mod packs it says update the mods, but the mods only specifically work for that. Or you can actually add your own mods, so you can create custom profile. Meaning you can make your own mod pack, I'm pretty sure, or you could just add this mod pack and add mods to another mod pack. Yeah, and resource packs, maps, you know, tons of stuff you can do here. It's really simple, it only takes a few clicks. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.